Well, one of 3 teens charged with killing a 35-year-old man in April appeared in court today. It has been 3 months since the shooting in Walker's Point, and tonight we're hearing from the victim's father about his concerns with the juvenile justice system. Jenna Wells talked to the man's father and has this report from Wauwatosa.
I didn't think I could muster up the ability to be back in this courtroom.
Kevin Krause is sitting through his second of 3 waiver hearings for the teens charged with killing his son David 3 months ago. Tuesdays for a 16-year-old boy accused of having the gun and pulling the trigger. Prosecutors say this is the 6th delinquency case for that teen, referred to by the initials BT, with a history of theft and weapons cases. Both the state and defense-appointed psychiatrists found he was exaggerating on mental health assessments.
However, again, some of the testing did suggest that he was attempting to over-represent his mental health symptoms.
As proceedings continue, Krause's family is discouraged.
We just hope that somehow a right decision is made, unlike the one Mr. Childs decided to do last week.
A waiver request for another 16-year-old defendant, initials JM, was denied by Judge Milton Childs last week.
He put all of his weight on the decision on what would the people want. It disgusts me that a judge could sit down with the details of this case and come to a conclusion that the people would want him on the streets.
This is also JM's 6th case, according to prosecutors, with a past involving guns and more than a dozen stolen cars.
We were told, because of his very extensive criminal record, that there was a very good chance for him to be waived into court, and literally our hope was torn out of our souls.
A 3rd waiver hearing for a 15-year-old, initials SD, is in 3 weeks with a different judge. SD was mistakenly released from custody in May and found 2 days later. With fingers crossed for different outcomes, the Krauses are losing faith.
Is there hope? I don't know. If there is, I'm not seeing it yet. But I'm here for you, David.
Now, we did ask the courts if Judge Milton Childs had any comment on those decisions he made and the Krause family's reaction. He said he can't speak about the case until it's closed. Krause tells me they did ask the assistant district attorney on this case about potentially filing an appeal based on that decision, and that ADA told them it's just not in the cards. It wouldn't be something that would be approved or able to happen. Today's hearing is going to continue. It did not wrap up. We did not get a decision in today's waiver hearing. That'll continue on Thursday. Natalie.